bigger than my hand. Look at this guy. Okay? Bigger than my hand, guys. Woo! See you later. What's happening, nation? It's JU. Man, beautiful morning. Trying to get some walleye. I already got my bucket list checked up on that item. But today, check it out, guys. We're going for walleye in my home made up rig. And I caught this crazy looking, beautiful, actually pike. You see the mouth right there? I thought it was a walleye, but it's a beautiful looking pike. Slimy as heck. So I'm gonna let it go so I can get this little thing out of his teeth here. Look at the teeth, guys. Man, you don't want to put your hand in there. Alright. Oh man. Come on now. Oh! Come on, man. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Ah. Gonna let you out as soon as I get the hook off for you. So let's do this. Let's keep each other. Look at his teeth, man. All right, here we go, guys. It's going down. Here, this side, you can see guys better. All right, see you later, guys. Whoa, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, good thing. Take a picture. Ah, yes. How about taking it? It's going down, guys. Woo! See you later, Mr. Pike. Oh, man, they took off fast. Quick release here, guys. Nice walleye for this beautiful morning. Bam.